got package. It's from Poland. Also, you're not getting my personal information, buddy. I blurred it out with a marker. Okay, let's unbox package. I already know what it is, but let me show you guys. Well, even though you probably know the title. Open. Wow. Wait a second, there's something else in here. Cardboard. Oh look, it made a house. USB to SATA. Monster! It's a piece of shit. So the specs in this thing, that is an Intel Core i5 2nd gen. Wait, no, 3rd gen, sorry, 3rd gen. And this piece of crap is an RX 550. Oh, and also we have that shitty power supply that sounded like it was about to blow up anytime soon. Our goal is to snatch that little boyo. Let's just kind of... As you can see, this is Paroa's Curse. Very good, Paroa's Curse. That thing somehow isn't too dusty. I'm gonna grab the not Temu, Shane, whatever the flippity do. Let me just bloop. Sorry, I'm looking at the too small. God dang it. What about the green one? What about the green one? Too small. Orange, I meant. Sorry, I don't really know English very well. Yes, I do, my dear teacher. I speak English very well. Now I'm stripping it. Shit. No, screw you. We're gonna hopefully without stripping it. Never mind. They just put a lot of pressure on it. Oh, we did it. Snatched out. Now the GPU's not sitting correctly. But we don't care. How do you slide out a GPU? How do you slide out a GPU? Oh, wait, I know why. You're supposed to get that side shield thingy off as well. That little boy. Le side shield. I'm stripping it. Okay, we can do this by hand. Oh my god, there's a second one that I did not see. Shut up. You're messing me up, Google Pickle. We did it. Get off, you filthy. Something tells me I did not pull it correctly. Oh no, it's like stuck. Oh god, what did I do? Danny be laughing at me in the background, dealer, whatever his name is right now. Oh, I'm so stupid. There's a... Oh no! There's a tab that I need to pull some way, some kind, somehow. Okay, I did it. I pulled the tab. So here's the GPU. What pins did I fuck? None of them, somehow. I'm surprised. I did not know there were tabs for the GPUs. Don't blame me. I've never built a computer. This thing's a pre-built. I don't have the money to build my own computer. I would do it. I watched enough Linus Tech Tips. Cool, we got the GPU out. Now what? Now we're gonna strip these screws as well, cause maybe I should have done the other one. Whoops. Which you cannot see for some reason. Oh, whoopsie. Maybe that's not a good idea. Oh, I'm just fucking this entire computer up. Oh god. Now we somehow strip the SATA pins. Not strip them, but like... I don't have a good enough angle. Hold on. I'm probably gonna accidentally do a face reveal, but whatever. Oh, no, I'm just gonna like block the camera so you don't see anything. It's nice, good enough. Right, I'm getting Perot's curse on my hands. Oh, right, there's a tab on the cables. I did it, got one. Where's the other tab? There isn't a tab. Nice, I'm smart. I know my computers, don't worry. Hi guys. Okay, there just isn't a tab on that one. Oh, ow. We did it! We extracted the boy. Let's see what the boy is. What does he identify as? What gender is he? Okay, hi guys. So the boy is a Toshiba PC P300. 1 terabyte. 7,200 RPM. Oh, that's gonna be slow. What about the back? Cool. Definitely cut myself in here, but whatever. It happens, I've heard. Okay, line that up. Line that up, I say, as I freaking mess up everything. No, it's like sideways. Why am I putting pressure on it? I did it. I heard the click. It's in there. I did it. I put a GPU in this thing. I'm smart. I'm a smart boy. How many hate comments am I gonna get? 10 million, probably. Trying to put the stupid shield back on. Okay, well, I dug Perot's curse just to find this piece of crap. I also found these at the back of my desk. These are my old Bluetooth headphones. We'll plug it in. Don't explode. Keep the dust particles away. Ooh, that is crunchy. Ooh. BIOS. Oh, okay, it has the Windows 10X loading thing. Let me get a keyboard and mouse, because otherwise I can't control this thing, like, at all. Okay. Oh, we do not show that, buddy. What is on here? That is my face as a 10-year-old. Oh, what is this shitty wallpaper? Nah. Oh god. Well, first of all, let's see what version of Windows this thing's running. Oh, is this like Antagonism Remix V2? Oh my god, it is. And I even have the audio. That's kind of cool. I was organized. I remember. Winver. Modern Winver. 21H2. Damn. Oh, and it has the old Windows 10 thingy here. Can't install updates. Restart required. Windows Defender did not find any. Okay. Also, the time's completely fricked on this. Thinks it's 2022. I'm gonna plug the boy in. Okay, it's detecting it, but I don't know why, because I haven't plugged any hard drive in to the adapter. A USB drive. Right. Oh, doesn't need external power.